Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Galore. Today, we'll be doing a Kiss Acrylic Nail Kit tutorial. This kit will include acrylic powder, tips, a brush, and of course, acrylic liquid. First, we will start by pouring the acrylic liquid into a separate, clean, dry dish. Since this dish is fairly large, I will only be pouring a bit of the acrylic solution. If you have a smaller dish, I highly recommend that you use that one instead. Moving on to the powder and liquid, I will be utilizing my DIY acrylic nail kit finger pump to sport our acrylic tip. Start by applying the brush to the bottom of the liquid acrylic dish, then dipping it into the powder. As the acrylic pulverizes, apply it to the nail using the one bead method, which consists of applying the acrylic to the bottom of the nail and smoothing it out until satisfied. Add as needed. Since this brush is cheaply made, it is easy for it to get caked up with dried acrylic. However, there is a remedy to this issue: acetone. Simply soak the brush in acetone, then use a rag or cloth to pinch the dried up acrylic out. The acetone loosens the hardened acrylic and allows it to slide off with ease. Now that my brush is clean, I will add another bead of acrylic to complete this tip. I highly recommend the Kiss Acrylic Nail Kit because of its convenient price, availability, and its overall look. This acrylic has given me stunning results compared to more expensive vendors. Its transparent, durable quality provides a stylish look that can be easily managed. And here is our finished product. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon for future notifications and like this video. And if you're feeling this groove behind me, go check out my dorm room tutorial video. I am sure you'll love it. And again, if you have any suggestions for me in the comment section below, as always, feel free to drop them. I am always listening and watching for new suggestions and ways to make this channel better for you. So again, thank you all for tuning in and stay tuned for more Beauty Galore.